everyone! Welcome back to Daily English. Learning English here is easy and fun. I am Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello to all our listeners. I am John. How are you today, Anna?
I am very good, John. I am very happy today. I am excited about the future.
Oh, the future. That is a big topic.
Yes. Today, we talk about the future. We talk about plans. We talk about dreams.
That is a great idea. The future is very important. But first, a message to our listeners.
Yes! If you like Daily English, please subscribe to our channel.
And give this video a like. Share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much. Okay, John, the future. Where do we start?
Let's start with a simple question. Anna, what will you do after this podcast?
After this podcast, I am thirsty. I will drink a glass of water.
Good plan. You said, I will drink water. That is perfect for the future.
Yes! We use the word will. W-I-L-L. Will.
Will is super easy. We use it when we choose something right now. A quick idea.
Exactly. I am thirsty now, so I say, I will drink water.
Can I give an example?
Yes, please do, John.
Okay. I am hungry. I think I will eat a sandwich.
Perfect. You are hungry now. You decide now. I will eat a sandwich. It is very simple.
And the best part? It is the same for everyone.
Yes! I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. It never changes.
I love that. So easy. For example, my friend Sarah will call me tonight.
Good. What about questions, John? How do we ask a question?
We just change the first words. Not you will. We say, will you?
Aha! Will you come to the party?
Yes. Anna, will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so. I can say, yes, it will. Or, no, it won't.
Won't? What is won't?
Won't is will not. It is negative. It will not be sunny. It won't be sunny.
I understand. I will eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a big pizza.
Me too. So, will is for quick ideas. But John, what about real plans?
For real plans, we use different words. We use going to.
Going to. Okay. John, do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do. I have a plan. On Saturday, I am going to clean my house.
Oh, cleaning. That is a lot of work. But it is a real plan.
Yes, I thought about it yesterday. So I say I am going to clean.
Perfect. For plans, we need the to be words. Am, is, are.
Yes, I am. You are. He is.
So I say I am going to visit my parents this weekend. That is my plan.
That is a great plan. And our friend Mark, he has a plan. He is going to play football.
He is going to play football. Good. And Maria and David, they are going to have a party.
They are going to have a party. Let's remember, I am going to, he is going to, they are going to.
It is a little longer than will, but it is perfect for plans. It shows you are organized.
Let's practice. Next week, I am going to read a new book. That is my plan.
A very good plan. Next month, I am going to travel to the beach.
Wow, Anna, a real vacation.
Yes, I have the tickets, I have the hotel. It is a solid plan. So I say I am going to travel.
You know, Anna, talking about plans makes me think about dreams.
Dreams. I love dreams. Big dreams for the future.
Dreams make us happy. A dream is a big, beautiful plan for your life.
Yes. We can use will for dreams. For example, one day I will be a doctor.
I will be a doctor. That is a beautiful, big dream.
But John, to make a dream real, we need a plan.
Yes, a big dream needs small plans. First step, I am going to study biology.
Exactly. Dream, I will be a doctor. Plan, I am going to study.
Small steps are the best. For example, if your dream is, I will speak English very well.
What is a good small plan for that?
A good plan is, tomorrow I am going to watch one video on daily English.
I love that plan. Or this week, I am going to learn 5 new English words.
Small plans are easy. Every small plan helps your big dream. Do not just dream. Make a plan.
Do you have a big dream, John?
Oh, yes. One day, I will travel around the world.
Wow, that is a very big dream. Do you have a plan?
Yes. Next year, I am going to save money. I am not going to buy expensive coffee.
That is a great small plan. What about you, listeners? What is your dream?
Anna, what is your big dream?
My dream is one day I will write a book for children.
That is a beautiful dream, Anna. I am sure you will do it.
Thank you, John. My small plan is this month I am going to write 1 page every day.
1 page a day. That is a perfect small step. Sometimes a dream feels too big.
Yes, sometimes we feel tired, but just focus on the small plan for today.
Let's talk about time words. Words that tell us when.
Very useful. Like tomorrow, the day after today.
I will call you tomorrow. Or I am going to the park tomorrow.
We also have tonight, the evening of today. We are going to watch a movie tonight.
What about for the week?
We say next week. For example, I am going to start a new job next week.
We also have next month and next year.
I am going to buy a car next year. These words are very important.
We can be very exact. We can say in 2 days or in 5 years.
My brother is going to visit me in 2 days. I am so excited.
In 10 years, I will live near the beach.
The future is full of hope. Let's do a quick review, John.
Okay.
We use will for quick decisions. I am thirsty. I will drink water.
And we use will for big dreams. I will travel the world.
We use going to for real plans. I am going to study English tonight.
Excellent. It is good to have big dreams. But remember to make small plans.
Don't be afraid to dream. Your future is yours.
This was a wonderful conversation, John.
Yes, it was. And we hope you, our listeners, feel happy too.
Before we go, please subscribe to Daily English and like this video.
And now, homework for you. Please write a comment below.
Yes, tell us one small plan and tell us one big dream. Use will or going to.
We want to read all your comments. Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep dreaming. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.